It rained last evening in Bangalore, and that's why we are ensuring we are completely waterproof while traveling. Again, this morning is a lovely morning to ride. Our journey from Gooty to Shamshabad. Because today is our longest journey. I would want to cover as many kilometers as possible in this kind of weather condition, and don't want to really waste our time. And look at those birds flocking together. Amazing view. Wow. It's a very, very, very happy moment for me. I have successfully completed 1,000 kilometers from the point we started on this, and it's also a very happy moment that we've named her, and from this moment onwards this particular scooter will be referred as Ruby. So Ruby is going to be the name of my companion on this journey, and I'm so happy. It's a fantastic feeling completing 1,000 kilometers of the 4,200 kilometers that we need to cover. So thank you, Ruby. This will be our battery swap 21. Look at these lights right behind me. These are BMWs coming here, BMW GSs. A lot of BMW GS 250s. See them? So he's keen to know what's the price of this vehicle, and we had a nice conversation with the rider there. So he was just asking a couple of questions like, is it an electric scooter, how much is it, and all of it. The problem was language. I'm not able to speak Telugu, and he's not able to communicate with me in any other language. So yeah, we had some communication gap, but then we spoke in sign language, 55, whatever that is. Here we are at Mr. Italy. Okay, and looks like all the GS boys are here itself. So you guys saw in my GoPro footage those aggressive BMWs just passing through the 1250s. So I have those gentlemen with me. Sir, I am Girish. You're there? Sushant. So the challenge is they ride good big muscle bike. Can they ride one of these? So I'm just giving him a challenge if he can ride one of these scooters and come back and tell what his experience was riding in a electric scooter. So all the best. So ride and tell me, come back. What do you think about it? Yes. He'll do it. Offer it. Which is his bike? This is the white one. Okay, then let's switch. And here we have a scooter back. brake, leave the brake. It cuts off. So are you ready to swap the bike?
Most definitely no. Not bad at all. But you have a good display.
Okay. Mangaloreans are all over the place, so we've finally found one more soulmate Mangalorean, Mr. Deepak, on his multi-starter. So they are on their way to Leh as well. So wish them all the best for the ride. See you, bye-bye. See you, bye-bye. So we got about 6-7 riders who are riding BMWs, and they are riding all the way up to Leh. Started their ride from Kanyakumari, I think, or Dhanushkodi. From Dhanushkodi they came to Bangalore, and from Bangalore they are heading to Nagpur today. Had a wonderful interaction with them, and I even offered them if they want to swap their bike and take the bounce all the way, because any which way the destination is the same for me and for them. Well, they did ride the scooter, and then they said next time. Hard luck. Well, yes, good lads. We had a good interaction with these guys, and I wish them all the best as well for the ride. They'll do it fine. Yeah. They should be reaching in the next 2-3 days, and we have a long way to go. So we just finished our 24th swap, and we should reach our destination with this particular battery, and we'll have no more swap for the day. So Kanyakumari to Shamshabad, 24th swap. So found something really interesting here, so let's see if this can really do some adventure. So taking it off-road, so-called off-road, on these rocky bit.